And now to answer the epic question of which would be preferred, a doorbell or a doormat?
A doormat or a doorbell?
Doorbell, I think.
And why would you rather be a doorbell than a doormat?
I don't like the thought of being walked on.
I see. Thank you very much. Oh, and are you enjoying crossover?
That's fantastic.
Excellent stuff. Thank you very much. Would you rather be a doormat or a doorbell?
A doorbell.
I see. And why?
I like making a noise.
I see. Thank you. And you?
Doorbell, definitely.
Because?
Then I could open the door.
Ah, clever. And you?
I would be a doorbell so I could see what was going on.
Would you rather be a doormat or a doorbell?
Doorbell.
Why?
Because they're, I don't know, tuneful.
Tuneful, thank you. And you?
I'd be a doormat.
And why would you be a doormat?
They're colourful and pretty.
Excellent stuff. Thank you very much. Okay, would you rather be a doormat or a doorbell?
A doorbell.
And why?
Because doormats get stamped on and get like mud and other stuff left in them.
Fair enough. And you?
Is it the same question?
Yeah, same question.
Doorbell as well.
Okay, same reason or?
Yeah.
Same reason, okay.
Doorbell.
Doorbell?
Because you can annoy people with it.
You can annoy people. I like it. Anyone else?
Doorbell.
Doorbell?
Same as him.
Same as him. Okay.
And so we have concluded our investigation that people would prefer being a doorbell to a doormat. Signing off.